Oh, what is up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Got another thing to install today. It came in late last night and I didn't really feel like doing it last night, so I think now we're gonna go ahead and head on out to the ruined garage and see if I can't ruin my car some more. Alright, so I already went ahead and unboxed it just to see how it looked and stuff, and the quality's great. So let's go ahead. So this is what we got here. Thanks to the good boys over at Mishimoto, I bought their intake. So there's the intake housing, and it's supposed to kind of act as like a short ram, I'm assuming, because that's literally all it is, and it hooks up into your factory piping. So I'm pretty excited about that. It's supposed to be, I don't know, I guess in a lot of people's opinion is that it's supposed to be like one of the better options you can do, like versus like long tubes and putting your cone down in front of the radiator, in front of the bumper, and done a lot of research and decided to give this one a try. It's supposed to give you an extra 10 horsepower and 13 torque, but without being able to dyno or anything like that, who really knows? But with it being Mishimoto, kind of believe what they say to an extent. So let's go ahead and pull the car in and get this thing installed. Should go pretty quick. I think since I've been home for a little bit, we might be able to do a cold start. I think she's cold enough. Not really a cold start, but I think that'll do for today. I think just by looking things over, it's gonna disconnect the wiring a little bit. Let's go ahead and take the filter out, the old filter I should say. Set that aside. And then it looks like just possibly 110, and then maybe the far in the back to disconnect it from the map. I think that's all that's holding this thing in here. Well, let's go ahead and take that off and see what she does. Alright, that should do it. She's all in place now, good to go, and fits super snug. And the filter was a little hard to get on just because of the angle. the way it is, but you get it shoved up in there and then just use an impact. Got her sucked on there real tight. She ain't going nowhere. Everything's super solid. So it's kind of cool. So let's check this out. So with induction to the carbon fiber cutout that I did, you can see it goes all the way through. So air goes through the bumper, through your core support, through this factory hole, and then it goes straight in right there. And it's like a short ram, just using all your factory piping. And they say this is supposed to be the best one, so we'll see. Nice little Mishimoto shot. Woo! Let's give her a start. Make sure we don't have any check engine lights or anything. So, turn that down a little bit. Nice simple little install. I think it took me about 20 minutes to do, and we'll see if it adds any performance to this thing at all, or you know what I mean, like makes the old butt dyno feel any better. So stay tuned. I think I got a couple more things coming, just little things now. Most of the big items have already shown up, except for one I'm working on, and I'll know if I'll be able to buy it come Friday, so in 2 days. So stay tuned for that. Huge. I'm super excited if I can make this thing happen, and we'll see. Stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna go drive this thing around a little bit and make sure I don't have any check engine lights come on, make sure everything's good, see what it feels, see if I feel anything different, and I'll get back to you guys on it. So we'll see you in the next one.